Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. That looks pretty good. Need to flatten the backside a little bit. Can't do that with a round wheel. If you do that with a round wheel, you end up with a hollow grind on both sides, and it doesn't want to work right. Does a pretty nice job. Now, I probably should go after this with the water stones, give it a little bit more edge, and flatten the backside. I got a pretty good amount of pitting on the back side, which makes the edge not quite as secure. But the grinder did a good job of shaping that bevel. No worries there. Got my hands a little dirty, but we managed to get the grinder working good and sharpen the chisel a little bit. I think I'll finish this up tomorrow and see if I can't make it just like it's supposed to be. Somebody at some time decided that they wanted to use a hammer on this chisel. This is a hand chisel. It's for planing. It's for paring. It's not designed to be hit with a hammer. This is a tang type chisel. And it looks like the stamp that they used to stamp Isaac has seen one or too many chisels stamped. It's I something AAC GREAVES. The cast steel is clear enough, but Isaac used his the touch mark. Isaac used his touch mark chisel too many times. But it's a nice little chisel. Got a brass ferrule, nicely turned wooden handle. I think I can clean that up. It's got a little chip out here, but I think I can shave that back and get that back where it belongs. It's a nice piece of wood. The steel is good. You can see the sparks coming off of it. It's actually tool steel. So it's got quite a bit of carbon in it. And if it had been designed to be hit with a hammer, it would have had a socket. This tang type chisel is not designed to have a lot of hitting done on it, because when you hit on a tang chisel, you drive the tang further up into the handle and tends to split it. Now, even though it has a brass ferrule on it, it'll still split when you hit it. Or you'll chip off the butt end of the chisel. Chisels that are designed to be hit also have a thing called a slag ring. This old beast is designed for timber framing, and it's been rode hard and put away wet. A lot of beating on this guy. I don't know of a name on it. At least nothing that shows up. Nope. It's a laminated steel chisel. Got tool steel out here on the end and then regular old wrought iron in the back. Sometimes it's steel, sometimes it's wrought iron. With an old chisel like this, I would pretty much guess at wrought iron. This one looks to be tool steel all the way down. No signs of lamination on the bit. So this one has about an inch and a half more steel left on it. It can still be sharpened down to the point where the tool steel goes away, but I don't think I'll ever wear it out. This iron ring at the back, that's called the slag ring. Slag ring is there to take the abuse of being hit. The ring holds the wood together and keeps it from mushrooming out and splitting. And the socket, the handle drives down into it and just wedges tighter and tighter, and it doesn't cause the wood to split down the middle. So this is for striking, and this is for handwork. And this little grinder here is a nice little piece of work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.